adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh my feta, why didn't I think of coming here earlier? I deserve this, after all these years of hard work. All the crafts we've made together with Sue. Cute houses, colorful rooms, bright pencil cases.
Where's Sammy? I really need him. I should call him.
Sue, that's you. Look, I'm running on fumes. No more crafts, don't even ask.
But no one else can help me. I need your super skills.
All right, count me in. Watch me save the day. Wait, what do I need to do again? It's actually quite simple. Just press on it and push down. Our next move, we're rolling it out. And my favorite, just lie on it to make it flat.
What's going on, Sammy? Where's the ball I asked for?
Look, I'm a Viking. Give me a more heroic mission than just shaping a ball.
Then, how about catching the largest rolling pin you can find?
Oh, that's better. You have it in no time.
Awesome!
Wanna know something? I got it already! Ta-da!
Whoa, you, brave Viking!
I deserve a treat.
While Sammy's enjoying his reward, I'll get down to work. It's gonna be the first present for our dear guest, Cinderella.
Sue, look! My Vikings have crowned me!
Genius! Our first gift's gonna be a crown. I'll use this paper template. Sammy, a cutter!
Already here, Sue!
I'm gonna cut out the shape we need. Press on the paper, otherwise the shape might get ruined. We don't need this extra stuff. I'll get rid of it. And voila!
Is it ready yet?
Not so fast, my friend. We need to decorate it. I was thinking glitter.
Who knows all about glitter?
Who?
Sammy the Party Maker! I'm a real pro! I have 6 boxes of glitter. We'll use them all!
Cool. But maybe you'll eat some cake first?
Cake? Did you say cake?
Sammy is a bit too excited today. I bet he was ready to use all that glitter.
Oh, so pretty! That's 2 boxes of glitter, at least. But I've got another idea. Let's use these patterns! Haha!
Gold and purple. Perfect match.
My artistic taste is flawless, as always. Add more glitter, Sue!
Sure. How about these golden ones?
They'll do.
So glad you approve. Do you still have those precious stones from Tibidaba?
Of course! I can share them with you.
So generous. We'll use them to decorate the crown. Wow, they shine like real gold. And the color is just perfect.
You can use these diamonds too.
Whoa. These diamonds are gonna take this look next level. And this one is one of a kind. We gotta make this crown fit for a princess. The shiniest crown we've ever made. Check it out, Sammy.
Only royal level crafters could create such a stunning crown.
Time to start making the second gift for Cinderella. Any ideas what it could be, Sammy?
I'm not sure, but I think we might need bees.
Sammy, but why would we need wood?
She could use it to heat her house in winter.
But we're making a ball outfit. Wood's way too extra.
You can never be too extra.
Let's just go with a dress. Gotta be very careful while cutting it out, not to ruin the shape. Let's just get rid of the extra material. It's done its work. Now let's make this dress look more real life. Gotta throw in another color. Adorable.
I must admit, you know how to mix colors.
A dream dress.
I feel like something's missing. A bow. Exactly.
Here we go. It really levels up the look. This dress is gonna shine. And what's your favorite color, friends? Press like if it's yellow or purple.
Sue, I can't find yellow glitter! It's a disaster!
Sammy, wait! I've got it! Oops, he's already gone. Sammy is very helpful, but not very attentive. This color will match Cinderella's blonde hair. Perfect, I'm almost… Huh?
We're doomed! The glitter's gone!
No worries, Sammy. Look!
So, the yellow glitter was here all this time?
You ran off so fast, I didn't even get a chance to tell you. It's so beautiful. Just a few finishing touches. I definitely wear such a dress to a ball.
Time to bling it out with Tibby Dabba treasures! Wait, where are they?
You won't believe it. Look what I found.
Whoa, they look like giant diamonds.
Hands off. These are mine. Got it?
No, Sam brought them from Tibby Dabba.
Yes, okay. They're Sam's. But he brought them for me.
I knew I'd find them here. I need my diamonds back, ladies. It's urgent. We need them to finish our craft. It was so difficult to get them.
Tell us everything. Did you have to fight with a dragon?
Ow. So brave.
Kinda. I'll tell you later. Gotta go! That was tricky, Sue, but I found my treasures!
You're the best! They're exactly what this dress needed to pop. I'll add some golden ones, too. This bow is so cute! These are from Sam's stash, too.
I'm running out of blings, but here's one more! Wait, Sue, you've already finished?
Thanks to your help, my friend.
If I were Cinderella, I'd be happy to get this. Sue, look! Someone's lost a shoe!
It's not a shoe. It's a mold. We'll use it to make a real shoe. It's gonna be yellow to match the dress. Now I'm gonna fill the mold. It's important to make sure it's filled evenly. Sammy, where's the other yellow ball?
I thought you left it for me. You know I love football. Sue, now I gotta find another ball to play with.
Don't forget our golden rule. Craft first, games later. Now we're joining the two halves. Here we go. Let's check it out. Very carefully. Now I'll remove the other half of the mold. Ta-da! It worked! It's amazing. Only a few small fixes left. The shoe is ready. Let's decorate it.
Good idea. Right now it looks so plain.
How about adding some purple glitter? This way, the whole outfit will match perfectly. As Sammy says, you can never have too much shine. I totally trust him on that. Some more precious stones. I'll glue them here, along the edge. And some golden patterns. They'll look perfect here. Sammy said to add more glitter. Why not?
Sue, I got something for you!
What is that? I love surprises!
Give me a second. Ta-da! I made a bow!
Wow, it's absolutely fantastic! Let's fix it right here, in the front.
And the finishing touch.
We're ready to welcome Cinderella!
She's here! Sue, Cinderella's here!
Hi, friends. I'm so happy to finally come visit you. Is it true? You don't make crafts anymore, Sam?
I was thinking about it, but while preparing a surprise for you, I changed my mind. And I can't leave Sue on her own.
Did you say surprise for me?
I'll show you.
Wow, they're so beautiful. I can't believe my eyes. Thank you so much, friends. Did you like our crafts, guys? If so, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye!
Use small cardboard tubes. Very carefully cut slits into the tubes to create a fireworks stamp. Now dip your fireworks stampers into the paint. Use your painty stampers to print your fireworks onto a coloured piece of card. Grab a black piece of card the same width as your painting and cut out a silhouette. This shape could be a city skyline like London or Sydney, or maybe the shapes are watching your firework display. What a fantastic firework display! Special Garden is a blue card circle with hole-punched edges to thread brown wool through. I'm starting with a circle of blue card. Carefully punch holes all along the edge of the blue circle. Thread brown wool back and forth through the holes on one half of the plate. This will show the earth underground. When you're finished, secure the wool with a knot. cut a carrot shape from the orange fun foam and use a smaller green triangle of foam to cut into leaf shapes. Stick the leaves to the carrot. Then pop your carrot into the soil. You can make any vegetables you like.
Oh, there we go. Bend the pipe cleaner upwards like that. Then grab a pencil and twirl the end of the pipe cleaner around the pencil like that. And then do the same on the other side. This fixes our acrobat perfectly. Now, let's move him to the side, get our 2 straws and push those together. That's the frame. Let's take our acrobat off and start feeding him through the straw. But of course, he needs some eyes. So let's give him some eyes. There's one. Stick one. And a second eye coming up. Right. Now, I've done it. And there is my pom-pom acrobat down first. And a pipe cleaner. Now, this bit's a bit fiddly. Watch, you twist once and twist again, so it's nice and secure. And then do the same with the other pipe cleaner. Here we go, twist and twist again, so it's nice and secure. Right, move that to the side and get the cake cases. These are gonna be eyes, so we need to draw on black dots. Here we go. There's one black dot there, and there's 2 black dots. Now, do these look like eyes? Do they? Do they? Of course they do. Right, let's stick them on then.
My granny can go quicker.
I'm going as quick as I can. Keep your feathers on. Right, a bit of tape there, and a bit of tape there. Flip it over, and let's stick them down. There's 1, and there's 2. There we go.